Okay, looking at the exercise here, we're going to go ahead and add another dense layer. And I'll change the activation function and also go ahead and add a dropout layer. So I've done that up here, and I've chosen 30 epochs, so I'm training this right now. So what we can do is we can take a look, and I added a dense layer with 100 neurons again. I changed from a ReLU activation to a sigmoid activation, and then added a dropout layer. So this is TensorFlow Keras layers dropout. So this is going to drop out about 20% of the nodes. And again, what you should do is go ahead and try different things, right? So the idea here is try adding layers, try taking layers away, right? Try increasing the dropout, try and see, and by doing so, you'll get to know how these things, at least in this case, relate to the model's ability to predict. And again, you can also try changing the batch size and the number of epochs, right? I've increased the number of epochs slightly here from 25 to 30. And we'll go ahead and see if this will improve our predictions. Our prediction error previously here, I guess this was 0.189. So this is I ran our previous model before I made the changes to the neural network. So we'll see if it beats this. Probably not the sigmoid layer. I don't think is. So we'll go ahead and do the forward pass through the model to get some predictions. Sort of unnormalize them. And let's go ahead and look at the average prediction error. Oh, wow. Yeah, so that made things considerably worse. But again, this is how we learn and say, okay, well, this is probably not the way to go. I'm pretty sure it was the activation, not the dropout. I think by changing this back, this will improve substantially. So definitely go ahead and change the model, right? And in this case, getting rid of layers, I think, would also help. Adding the layers, I don't think helps. So one of the things you might want to try is saying, okay, well, if I in this hidden layer here, again, we have our hidden layers are the layers in the middle. Maybe if we lower the number of neurons, that might actually help. So go ahead and try these things, and like I said, one of the best I got was about 0.16. So see if you can get that.